Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Angel and I make videos about everything that I know. So please subscribe to my channel and watch all my videos. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a little review about a face mask which I got in my Glamego box previous month. So without any late, let's get into the video. So this is the face mask that I got from Glamego box previous month. Moroccan red clay. It has deep cleansing, exfoliating, detoxifying properties. It is of 100 grams. And Bliss of Earth Moroccan red clay is an all natural powder clay that is highly absorbent and mixes easily with water and other moisturizing products. It serves as an excellent facial cleanser and purifying mask, especially for individuals with sensitive skin, and 100% pure Moroccan red clay. It is of 499 rupees. This Moroccan red clay face mask has many benefits, like it is used as a facial mask to nourish the skin and to reduce acne and blackheads. If you use this face mask, clay face mask regularly, you will see wonders for your skin. Some of the benefits are: it removes your acne and blackheads, it removes the excess oil from our face and makes our pores tight, and it also makes our skin feel fresh. It is also an excellent treatment for acne. Even the scars which are due to pimples also fade away gradually by using this clay mask regularly. It makes our skin texture smooth if anyone out there has dry and dull skin. And last but not the least, this product is 100% natural. Any product that you buy nowadays is loaded with chemicals, so it's better that you try a product something like this which is natural. So now take a look at how I made this paste and how I applied it on my face. So first I took 2 tablespoons of Moroccan red clay powder in a bowl, and then I mixed it with rose water. You can even replace rose water with apple cider vinegar, and can also include essential oils, whichever you have at home. But before applying any face mask on your face, make sure that your face is clean, because applying it on an unclean face will not work good as it works on a clean face. So make sure that you are applying face mask on a clean face. Then start applying evenly on your face and neck part, and after applying, leave it until it dries out, and then wash it off with water. After washing it with water, pat dry your face with towel or a clean cloth. My face, it felt a bit tight and dry, but rest everything was good. So this is how I applied face mask on me, and my face, it felt a bit dry and tight after cleaning it with water. So people with sensitive skin and dry skin, please make a patch test before applying it on your face, because you may get rashes, your skin, it may turn red, and you may get pimples. So it's better you make a patch test before applying it on your face. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any sort of video suggestions that I would make in the coming future, please do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be glad to make such videos. Hope to see you all soon with the next video. Until then, stay happy. Bye.